All right, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be doing a little advanced bachata combination. This is the second one, so be sure to stay tuned for more. Let's do it. Thank you again for watching. If you like these patterns and you want to see more of those, please check out the rest of our combination videos. We have salsa, bachata, and merengue. And if you like these patterns but didn't recognize them, be sure to check out our Ballroom Feed Pro section on our website, where we do a step-by-step breakdown for you, just like we did our beginner bachata patterns. So if you want to learn how to do these patterns and then combine them, be sure to head over there to check that out. And we'll see you again very soon. Bye.